A state of emergency has been declared in Oregon by Governor Tina Kotek. She says it's because of the imminent threat of wildfires. Kotek echoed fire officials today, saying that Oregon is already seeing a devastating wildfire season, and it's going to have lasting consequences. State of emergency declaration will allow access to more state resources for communities across the state. This includes the use of personnel and equipment from all state agencies, including the National Guard, the Department of Forestry, State Fire Marshal, and County and Tribal Emergency Management.